Okay, happy Friday. Hopefully I'll see you on Monday. I miss you guys. Okay, we'll start with rhyme recognition. Which word rhymes with nickel? Pickle or money? I hope you said pickle. Nickel, pickle. Which word rhymes with spider? Cider or spice? I hope you said cider. Spider, cider. Which word rhymes with winter? Splinter or weather? Splinter, winter, splinter. Last run. Which word rhymes with willow? Pillow or pocket? Pillow, willow, pillow. Okay, we're doing the beginning sounds. I'll say 2 words. You tell me which sound they start with. Zipper, zebra. Z, good. Calendar, camp. K. Tender, target. T. Last one. Night, nation. N. Good job. Okay, we're going to blend our syllables together. Remember, some have 2 syllables, some have 3 syllables. Simplify. Simplify. Together says simplify. Pretzel. Pretzel. Good. Deleted. Deleted. Disappear. Disappear. However. However. Good job. Okay, we're going to punch the final sound. Beside. Beside. It's almost like there's 3 parts and the last one's the punch. Muffin. Muffin. See that? 3 parts. Museum. Museum. Notebook. Notebook. Ooh, that one had 4 parts. Notebook. It ends with a k sound. Okay, get your choppers out. Famous. Famous. Planet. Forever. Forever. 3 parts. Lemon. Lemon. Important. Important. Okay, now we're going to add a syllable. We have the word tree. Add kun at the beginning. Country spells country. We have the word mound. Add 10 at the end to spell mountain. Good. We have the word turn. Add re at the beginning. Return. Good job. Now we're going to delete and take part of the word away. We have 40. Take away T. What's left? 4. We have unpack. Take away un. What's left? Pack. We have hiccup. Take away hic. What's left? Up. And we have station. Take away shun. What's left? Stay. Good job. Almost done. We're going to substitute, take away, and put something else in there, and count our words in our sentences. We have the word fastest. Take away fast and put nice. Now what do you have? Nicest. Good. We have the word puppet. Take away pup and put in car. Carpet. Carpet. Good. We have the word honey. Take away hun and put in mun. Money. Good job. We have the word quarter. Take away quar and put in short. Shorter. Okay, let's count our sentences. I always read the newspaper. I hope you counted. I always read the newspaper is one word, so that's only 5. The principal is very kind. I think our principal is very kind. The principal is very kind. Another 5. Let's see if we can get a big one. I am happy that you are here. I'll do this one with you. I am happy that you are here. I think that's a good one to end with. Hopefully I see you on Monday. Bye-bye.